If your Adobe Photoshop is not showing in English, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the language to English in Adobe Photoshop 2026, step by step, using Adobe Creative Cloud. This is the easiest way to switch Photoshop to English without losing your custom settings, brushes, or workspace preferences. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get started. First, close Photoshop completely. This is important because Adobe won't apply the language change properly if the app is still running in the background. Once Photoshop is closed, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where we'll change the default language before reinstalling Photoshop in English. Now look at the top right corner and click your profile icon, then choose Preferences. Inside Preferences, find the Apps section on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Installation section. Here you'll find an option called Default Install Language. Click the drop-down menu and change it to English International or English North America, depending on what's available on your system. Once you select English, click Done to save the change. Now that Creative Cloud is set to English, the next step is to refresh Photoshop so it installs the English language files. Go back to the Apps tab in the top left, then click All Apps. Find Adobe Photoshop in your installed apps list. In some versions, it may show as Photoshop 2022 or another version number, but the process is the same. Click the three dots next to the Open button and choose Uninstall. When Adobe asks what you want to do, make sure you select Keep Preferences. This is a very important step because it keeps your custom brushes, shortcuts, panels, and workspace layouts safe. You are not deleting Photoshop permanently here. You are simply removing the current language version so Creative Cloud can reinstall it in English using your new language setting. After the uninstall finishes, the button will change to Install. Click Install, and Creative Cloud will now download Photoshop again, this time in English. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Let the installation complete fully before opening the app. Once it's done, launch Photoshop and check the interface. In most cases, it should already appear in English automatically. If Photoshop still opens in another language, there is one more quick manual fix you can use. Open the Preferences menu inside Photoshop. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Interface. If Photoshop is currently in another language, look for the second option from the top menu, then the bottom option, then the fourth option in the side menu. At the bottom of the window, look for the UI language dropdown. Click it and select English. After choosing English, click OK in the top right corner and restart Photoshop. When it opens again, the entire interface should now be in English. That's it, you're done. Now you know how to change Photoshop to English in Adobe Creative Cloud and verify the language inside Photoshop itself. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.